So now we got to bore our channel bore down for the O-ring. So that'd be another cut. That only needs to go down how far? This one's pretty critical. Only got 2 thou on the OD and 3 thou on the depth, so it's pretty critical. We want 85 as our depth. Okay. Definitely pull that out a long ways. Pull out 40. Okay. Not sure how much I got to cut, so I'm just going to take a little bit. See, our OD is around 4.3, give or take a little bit. We got to go out to 4.415. Alright, so we got 100 thou to go on the OD, so we're fine on that. So you have to worry about being too far off on that one. Okay, I haven't bottomed out yet. Okay, the depth is 85. We're at 77, we haven't hit it yet. I got a pretty noticeable step in there, so give it 10 thou more. We want 4.4 on the OD. $320. So we got over 80 on that to go yet. Otherwise known as a pretty good chunk. About that far. Just rough it in a little bit. Okay, we're just starting to clean up the surface a little bit. $74 over there. $76 over here. $94 that way. So we got 20 on the OD. And we got 5 more, plus 7 on the depth. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give it 4 on the depth. We got 20 over here to go, so I'm going to give it a little bit that way. Sneak up on both of those at once. Doesn't hit anything. kissed there. There's another 2 thou when it kissed. $77. $77.5. So we still got 7 more thou to go that way. And this dimension. What the hell happened there? $380. It shrunk. What the hell I measured? $384. Something wrong. Give it a good chunk that way. And we're going to give it another 3 thou in the depth. I think we had 7 to go in it. Yeah, but 4 in the depth. A little bit in both directions. RPM. $83.5 that way. Check on the other side too. $78. Double check that again. $81 that time. $75. Obviously there's some burrs I'm measuring there or something. We're not getting a very accurate dimension here. You're trying to hold a 2 thou tolerance and you've got a 5 thou variance in your depth readings. It's kind of hard to do that. That's when you want accurate dimensions, you get a mic, a depth mic. And then the stupid ass calipers. First thing we do is zero it out, see where our zero's at. And we're close enough, half a thou different. Yeah, about half a thou off. I can live with that. So there's 1 turn, 2 turns, 3 turns. That's 75 in case you lost track. It's 25 a turn. What number we want? 85, wasn't it? 85. So that's 75. That'd be 85. Good thing we stopped. About 87. $86. So we're 2 thou. We're taking up the 2 on the heavy side. That's why I don't trust calipers on depth. They're very inaccurate. all over the place. That's the problem with them. Okay, we're at 199 that way. Come over here a little bit. Don't have to worry. You have to measure on that side. $193, $194. Okay. Yeah, that's not what we're reading. Dumbass. We are reading a chamfer board, not the ID. Oh, I'm getting confused. 406. $406 again. 406. Okay, that one we need 15. Yep. Plus or minus 2. So it's 6 from 15. 23, right? Let's see, where'd my light go? So we need 9 thou. Should be on the light side. Should be 1 thou light. Nope. Right on the money. 15. I was shooting for light. I was shooting for 14. I got 15 instead. Alright. I'll take it. That's the number they wanted. I want to be 1 thou less because I went 1 thou too deep. The O-ring will squish out 1 thou either way. Oh well. It'll work. I'm good to go. Alright, that one is done. Except it's not deburred. I can't stand sharp edges. And I don't like using a deburring tool for stuff like this. So I have my own deburring tool I use. It looks like this. It has a 45-degree chamfer. That's my deburring tool. It's a hard deburring tool. Okay, let's see if we should be able to just go back far enough to make this work. Maybe. No, can't do it on this. This tool will not work for this application. I can do the bottom one, but not the top. Okay. Much better. One deburred hole. So if you get the light right, you'll see that the inner one has a chamfer cut in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's not very much of one. It's pretty light. It's there. Yeah, think I want a little more than that, but they don't tell you to do that, so I don't know. This outer one here, I'm going to have to use my deburring tool. I don't like that being that way, so I'll have to use the hand tool. Okay, this side is done. Now I gotta see if the cylinder will fit on here. See if we did it right. If we didn't do it right, it won't fit. One cylinder. But them goes right on and off. There you go. She's mounted. She's got clearance in there. Going back and forth this way. You can hear the clearance because it's got a lot of clearance. More than I normally use. There you go. That's how you do it. Alright, I'm going to do the other hole. More work. Alright, be back.